Welcome to Dex. Let's walk through how to invite merchants to apply for their account. First, click on the Merchant Application tab. Select Rate Plans. This section shows the rate plan ID, status, services selected, and date created. Locate the rate plan you wish to use and click the three dots on the right. Then, select the Invite option. A new window will appear where you can add the emails of your future merchants. Dex allows you to customize the email with a wide set of tools. Once you are done, click Invite, and that's it. Alternatively, you can send invites by accessing the rate plan and clicking Actions in the top right corner. Select the Invite option from the drop-down menu. Dex offers flexibility in inviting merchants. You can also copy the link to application from within the rate plan. Use this link to personalize your application process or integrate it with other tools. Inviting merchants is simple and flexible.